Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Gothic Ministry. I'm your host, the Minister, and Shabbat Shalom, everybody. So this is going to be the continuation of this series, and this is going to be a very short video, so it's not going to be very long. So, for the continuation of this, it's going to be for the rest of the heavens part. So, for the heavens created. After another unspecified time after the creation of angels, he did then proceed to creating the heaven, beginning with his throne. You can find that in Psalms 89, chapter 14, and Proverbs chapter 16, verse 12, as well as Psalms chapter 103, verses 19, and also chapter 9, verse 7, and Isaiah chapter 16, verse 5. The appearance of the throne is as sapphire stone. Ezekiel chapter 1, verse 26, and chapter 10, verse 1. His train fills the temple. Isaiah chapter 6, verse 1. He then created the heaven. God formed the light, and he created darkness. You can find that in Psalms chapter 104, verse 20, Isaiah chapter 47, verse 7, and he prepared the light and the sun. So there's a big difference right there. He prepared the light and the sun. You can find that in Psalms chapter 74, verse 16, and ordained the stars and the moon. You can find that in Psalms chapter 8, verse 3. And he also did the constellations. You can find that in Isaiah chapter 13, verse 10, Job chapter 9, verse 9, Job chapter 38, verse 31, and also verse 32, Amos chapter 5, verse 8, and 2 Kings chapter 23, verse 5, 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 40, Psalms chapter 97, verse 6, Isaiah chapter 13, verse 10, and 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 40. And he also created the planets, which you can find that in 2 Kings chapter 23, verse 5, and Hebrews chapter 11, verse 3. The creation of light and of darkness in Isaiah chapter 45, verse 7. So that will be it for this one right here, and that will be for the heavens. This is exactly what the scripture says that God created when He created it, and for each level that there is. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate your love and support, and as always, love and peace till next we meet. And on the next one is going to be about the earth. So now that we are finished with the heavens, the next one again will be about the earth. Love and peace till next we meet.